Good day everyone, I will discuss propositions and logical connectives using a weather forecast example. A proposition is a statement that can be either true or false. For example, the statement "it will rain" is a proposition because it can be verified as true or false. Logical connectives are words used to connect propositions, just or not, if then. For example, a weather forecast say it will rain or it will snow. This use the logical connective or the statement is considered true if at least one of the condition happens if it rains, if it snow, or if both occur. 3-4 propositions help us express statements, while logical connectives help us combine them to form more complex ideas. I will explain inductive and deductive reasoning using a cooking recipe example. Inductive reasoning is when we make a general conclusion based on observation. For example, after tasting a dish and not noticing that it is safely, we conclude the recipe probably use salt. This conclusion is based what we observe. On the other hand, deductive reasoning starts with a rule or fact and leads to a specific conclusion. For example, if the recipe instructs us to add 1 teaspoon and salt, we can deduct that the dish will taste salty if we follow the instruction. In short, inductive reasoning goes from observation to conclusion, while deductive reasoning goes from a rule or fact to a specific result. And yun lang po, thank you. And that is the difference between deductive and deductive reasoning.
Panis!